Let's make pumpkin spice sourdough bread.
Here's an easy step-by-step version of how to make this bread. It is made with pumpkin puree, pumpkin spices, and it has a hint of brown sugar sweetness. Let's make it together. Start off by weighing out 540 grams of filtered warm water, along with 200 grams of starter.
And 200 grams of pumpkin puree.
And then you're going to whisk that all together until incorporated.
Add in 1 kilo of flour. Now add in 70 grams of brown sugar.
Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, quarter teaspoon of allspice, quarter teaspoon of ground clove, and 24 grams of salt. Mix until you form a shaggy dough and then cover and rest for 1 hour. Once the dough has rested, you're going to begin to perform 4 sets of stretch and folds by lifting the dough up and over itself, turning the bowl counterclockwise. Be sure to cover the dough and put it in a warm place in between sets. Drizzle some olive oil into a deep bowl, put your dough inside, cover with a loose lid, and let rest till double in size. Split the dough into 2 equal parts. You'll get 2 loaves. Then begin to shape the dough. There are many ways of shaping the dough, and I will get into that in later videos, but for now, we're just going to do this simple, easy tri-fold shape. Here, I'm just simply folding the bottom up and the top down and then rolling it up. And then begin to just shape it into a ball shape, creating some tension. You want to cup the dough with your hand and pull the dough towards you. And if you find it sticky, just add a sprinkling of flour. And then flip the dough upside down into a bowl or a banneton that's been floured. And here I'm just doing a little cross stitch. This helps to create more tension and helps to maintain its form. Now you're going to cover it up and place it in the fridge to ferment overnight. And here we made it. The dough is ready to be baked. Gently flip the dough over onto a silicone pad. And if you don't have one, just use parchment paper. Dust it with flour, and then I just did a simple score over the top. Preheat a Dutch oven and then add in some ice to create steam. You're going to bake it with the lid on, and then you're going to remove the lid and bake it longer. And when you finally get to cut this bread and slap some butter on it and eat it, it will be all worth it.